everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your teacher, Teacher Daryl Del Mundo, and today I will teach you how to make a learning material in a video form using your smartphones or your mobile phones. First things first, you just need to go to your browser and then go to Play Store and just type screen recorder. So this one, the first one that will appear on your screen will be the one that you're going to download, the screen recorder and video recorder. So this one. So I only have this like 2 months ago, something like that, so I need to update it. And then when you have it, when you install it already, just go there, okay, and then this one, then you will see there the screen recorder. Okay, and it is located here at the bottom part of my phone, so I can move it here, here, and here. So this is what it looks like. There you go. It has a play button, stop button, and then settings. And then for example, you're going to like make a video presentation using a PowerPoint. Just go to your file manager and then search a document, okay, whatever document that you have there. So for an instance, let's have, okay, this one. Search and search this one. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, there you go. So just go here and then not to view continuous page, and you can turn your phone, auto rotate your phone, and then there you go. So you can also adjust the brightness, and then you can start now to discuss about this topic. There you go. So when you save it, it will be now a video presentation. So you can discuss when you swipe and swipe and swipe with your slides, something like that. Okay, there you go. Let's enlarge it. See? And then you can explain or give some examples so that you don't have like the PowerPoint presentation, but you have now a video form learning material. Okay, and then you can add more, something like that, and then just go back here, and then when you stop filming or when you stop videoing it, just click this button again. Okay, there you go. Just click this one again, and then you need to click this stop button, this one, the square one. And then to check if your video was saved, just go to your photos or your video, something like that, and then you can go to videos, and then there you go. It's now your video presentation. Okay, as easy as that. And now you will have your learning materials that is only made up from your smartphones or your mobile phones. I hope you will use it, and this will help you to become more productive and creative as a teacher. Thank you so much for listening. This is your teacher, Teacher Daryl Del Mundo. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. God bless you all.